Everybody loves the things you do, from the way you talk to the way you move. Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home. You're like a dream come true. But if by chance you're here alone, can I have a moment before I go? 'Cause I've been by myself all night long, hoping you're someone I used to know. You look like a movie, you sound like a song. My God, this reminds me of when we were young. Let me photograph you in this light, in case it is the last time that we might be exactly like we were before we realized we're a sort of getting old and made us restless. It was just like a movie, it was just like a song.
Waktu terasa semakin berlalu, tinggalkan cerita tentang kita. Akan tiada lagi kini tawamu untuk hapuskan semua sepi di hati. Ada cerita tentang aku dan dia, dan kita bersama saat dulu kala. Ada cerita tentang masa yang indah saat kita berduka, saat kita tertawa.
Loving can heal, loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. We'll keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts were never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only once, please. Inside these pages, you just hold me. I won't ever let you go. Wait for me to come home. Wait for me kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone. Wait for